So, as promised, we're going to have an extra lesson on food and drink that I will give you to do over the Easter holidays. And we're going to find out about food and drink, different ways of cooking, specialities and national dishes, and cooking and food vocabulary. And can you name the three courses of a three-course meal? In a restaurant, you can order a starter, a main course, and a dessert. How many different methods of cooking can you name? If we have a pot full of water, we boil something. If we have a pan with oil, we fry. With cakes in the oven, we bake. This one is when you cook something for a long time in a saucepan, and that is to stew. This one is with heat from above. So, for example, cheese on toast. That one is to grill. This is lots of oil, so this is to deep fry. In the summer, we barbecue. And on Sundays, we take meat and potatoes and some oil and we put them in the oven, and that is roast. Let's have a look. Not the pictures of scones with jam and cream. I'm going to put some pictures up and some words, and let's see if you can work out these ones. This is not butter, this is batter, and it's what we use for pancakes or indeed for fish and chips. If you have a pie, it's covered in pastry. We need dough for bread or for pizza. This is in a pickle jar. It's a pickle, how we keep vegetables over the winter, for example, in vinegar or possibly in salty water. We had stew already, that's an Irish stew. And a meat sauce is also called a gravy. Right, now I'm going to show you some pictures from countries around the world. I want you to guess where they're from. Can you describe them? Let's have a look. Okay. If you press pause now, you can guess, or you can just go on to the next page. Here it comes with the answers. We've got an egg omelette with potatoes, a spicy stew with paprika, spicy pastry snack filled with vegetables, a pastry dessert with pistachios, dumplings with meat or cheese, fried rice dish, layers of pasta sauce or meat, raw fish and rice, and a side dish made from roasted batter. Okay, let's move on to some cooking terms. That is chop. That one, simmer, when you just cook something on a low heat. That one, pour, maybe. What are they doing? One of them is slicing and the other one is chopping. No, grating, I think. And this one, they're filling something. Let's have a look at those words. Yeah. Heat some oil, chop some onions, simmer, cut, grate, and fill. And one more lot here, baking. You're going to see some pictures of some people baking. What are they doing in each part of the baking process? And the answer is we pour, we mix, we add some sugar or salt, we roll the pastry, and we put it in the oven and we bake it. Okay, so lots of vocabulary to do with cooking and baking. And if you can learn those ones and do 9A from the book, then I don't need to talk about food all day on April the 12th. Okay, see you then. Have a good Easter. Bye bye.